just had to swap out cameras. My other camera, for some reason, got drained down completely. It's not what I would call it's a GoPro 7. This thing's the oldest camera that GoPro ever made, and it still works better than that thing, but even these I had trouble. So I missed all the stuff on the fabricating my thing, or most of it. So this is what I've done. I cut, notched, and then bent all these four corners. This is going to be the tray. I don't know if we've got any footage left from this morning. So sadly we're here. So what I ended up doing was taking channel bar like this and cutting it down the middle. And then the only thing I have left now is I have to make a cross piece here, and then I have to cut off these lips, which might not have been the smartest thing. I could probably, well, it'll be fine. I probably could have done something better, but oh shit, not even pointing. Anyway, these lips have to come off so that the battery fits in, and then it'll set down on this space. I leave this open so that it gets heat transfer down. I've got plenty of protection from underneath. So then I'll cut that piece across there, and it just needs a little tightening up. So anyway, that's where we're at right now, and I'm going to go ahead and keep you guys on while I grind this. It's going to be a little noisy, but show you what we're having to do. Give me 3/8 of an inch. It's not a hell of a lot. We could probably grind it down a little more. So, what do we go? Go from this one. This is so 6.5 is on my next cut. That will go on like so. It's got to go on the outside, so anyway. Oh damn it, where in the hell did it? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, so we're going to cut the ridge off over here. Well, I'm going through belts pretty damn fast. So, alright, so, okay. Now that's time to go like so. Okay, so we're going to move you back over here. What I got to do, I'll show you what I'm kind of doing. You guys are right in the aluminum bits. So this piece will go on here, just like that. And then that makes my tray. Then so now what I have to do is drill and pop rivet this thing together. And that should Okay, so 3/16 bit. So we're going to put these in from the outside and then come back and smash them into place with a hammer on the inside. Okay. Oh, that's just barely long enough. That was fortunate. Now I need my anvil. What we're doing is tightening up the rivets. Let's see, I don't know. Is that a good place for you guys to be? Okay. So now that's much better than the other one. I think I'm going to drill the other one out. We have a perfect battery tray at the bottom. Let me show you. There's the tray. We've got probably 1/4 inch clearance, and I have foam that I can actually put in there. Sorry, foam around that. So yeah, I think that's a good. Slides right in and out. So now, let's see. This is going to slide right in to here, and what I have to do is raise that tray up enough so it fits. Good. Okay, but it's got to come up like that much. So let's see. We've got this piece here we can use as a temporary. Okay, so I'm going to be working right there. Come up a little bit. Okay, so this I believe is the right space for this tray. I've got to figure out how I'm going to mount it in here. On the backs now, I've got to figure out this thing. Okay, let's try putting the battery in, and then I can get a dimensional measurement, and I can make a bracket. Comes off of here, comes up, and clamps onto the bottom there, and it should take care of that. Anyway, of course everything's in the way, including you guys, but let's see. damn it. Oh, you fucking worm. There we go. Okay, now, actually, this has to go forward, this has to come back. There we go. Now, what do we have here? Okay, so we got that working, but I have that much to play with here, not even, although I could do it in reverse. Okay. Okay. We now have our brackets. We can mount. Okay, we've got those two tabs in. As soon as those are done, I can pull the battery and then screw these tabs in place. And then we will have it. So, there we go. Okay, at this point, the camera ran out once again, and I did finish up, got the battery in, everything's done right now to the point that I'm just waiting on the final wiring to come in, and I can hook that up and then set my speedometer. So that's it.